Hello, welcome to TV9 News. I'm your host Jyoti Jha and this is your one-stop destination for top trending entertainment stories. Dangal fame Fatima Sana Sheikh and Chhapaak fame Vikrant Massey have also tested positive for novel coronavirus. Now, the actors shared the news on social media and are currently home quarantined. Meanwhile, actors like Siddhant Chaturvedi and Manoj Bajpayee have tested negative for the virus. Ajay Devgan's office has now issued a statement clarifying that the actor has nothing to do with the viral Delhi brawl video. Now, a video was widely surfaced on the internet which showed a case of road rage where a doppelganger of actor Ajay Devgan was seen involved in fights and using unparliamentary words. Finally, both the actor and his office clarified that he never travelled to Delhi after Tanhaji promotions in January 2020. It was all celebration, colors and love for Bollywood on Holi. Now, from Priyanka Chopra Jonas to Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, they all shared glimpses of their Holi celebrations. While PC was seen celebrating the festival of colors with her husband Nick Jonas and his parents, actors like Janelia D'Souza, Ritesh Deshmukh, Shahid Kapoor and Meera Rajput were seen in a romantic mood. Meanwhile, known for his quirky avatar, actor Kartik Aaryan shared a hilarious post on Holi, wishing his fans on the colourful occasion. Actors Nawazuddin Siddiqui and Alia Siddiqui, who recently resolved their marital issues and withdrew the divorce notice, have now planned to spend time with their children in the actors' farmhouse in Maharashtra's Kasara. Now, according to reports, Alia has already reached the farmhouse where she is living with her two children, Yani and Shora. Speaking of the same, Alia revealed that the couple planned to stay in the farmhouse looking at the surge in COVID cases. Now, Alia had contracted the virus a few weeks ago when she claimed that the actor had taken care of her and the kids. However, Nawazuddin Siddiqui will join them on the 5th of April. The trailer for much-awaited Vakil Sahab is finally out. Now the Telugu remake of Hindi film Pink stars Pawan Kalyan in the lead role. The trailer has got some record-breaking views as it gained as many as 12 million views in less than 15 hours of its release. Now, the film will be hitting the screens on the 9th of April. On the 38th birthday of actor Nitin, the makers of his upcoming film revealed the name of the film and also the first look poster for the same. Now, Nitin will be featuring in the remake of Ayushmann Khurrana starrer Andhadhun. The makers have titled the film Maestro for its Telugu version, while netizens are trending Happy Birthday Nitin on social media. Recently, actor Kangana Ranaut praised actor and host Simi Garewal for her interview style and especially her interview with actor and politician Jayalalitha. Now, Kangana told that Simi's interview helped her research about Jayalalitha. Meanwhile, she compared Karan Johar's show with Simi and wrote that his shows are all about bitching, bullying and gossiping and talking about frustrated sex life. After the grand success of the Malayalam thriller Helen, Boni Kapoor, who is the producer of the film, could not stop himself from making a Hindi remake of the same starring his daughter Janhvi Kapoor. Now, speaking to the media, Boni said that if Janhvi does not do intense practice and preparations for the role, the audience will reject her. The shoot for the film will likely start from July later this year. Since the beginning of this year, all tycoon Armand Hammer's grandson and actor Armie Hammer has been continuously being slammed on social media, wherein several questions have been arising on his character, now out of which multitude of allegations against him were pertaining to sexual assault. Recently, now makers of $1 Billion Spy cut their ties with the actor too. This was the last remaining film on Hammer's slate. He was chosen as a co-star to Mads Mikkelsen in the Cold War drama, and the film was being made by Amma Asant. Now, these were the top trending entertainment stories for the day. For more such updates, like, share and subscribe to TV9 News. Thank you so much for watching.